Hello, Professor Stefan. My name is Nicolas Prieto. I'm from your online course, and this is my case assignment, Domino's Pizza, uh, from the class of International Marketing. Today, I'm going to talk about a really good concept about digital marketing. Digital marketing, in my opinion, is a branch that is evolving like everything in right now. Technology is covering everything, so digital marketing is a evolution of a marketing and now more digital in technology. The story of Domino's, they started in 1960s, 60s. In 18 years later, they opened their 200th store. In 2006, they opened their 8,000 store, and right now they have about 5,000 stores around the world. Their business model, they have an own business, like own stores, but they decide to franchise everything, and this model led them to expand over the world more easy and in a faster way. So this is a big model, and about Domino's Pizza, in this model, they have the 97% of all stores around the world are franchised. Here in the chart, we can see that, I don't know, they have about 5,000 or 6,000 franchises in the international. They have been growth in the time, and here is the market share. The market share is, we can see they are strong in India, UK, Mexico, and Australia. Then all the countries has like the same part and the same size of market. So we can see they've been in a lot of country. The problem with Domino's is that they have a really bad image. The public or their consumers think they are a really low quality product and a really low cost. So they don't like their pizza. Their image is really damaged. Why? Low quality in the product. They discovered that people says that their pizza was taste or was like a cardboard, and this affects too much Domino's Pizza. They start like examination would happen to them, and they decide to recognize the problem in public. They recognize in public in a YouTube video that they sucks, and that they was going to do something to repair their image and to capture more consumers. They started with campaigns through the social media, the power of the social media. They create Think Oven. Think Oven was a campaign through Facebook that they publish everything that they want to know about the consumers, to know them and to catch them, to know what to improve. So it was really good. Then they start the first phase is that they start an e-commerce that is really cool, because you can order pizza through the phone, and they want to consumers expand the options of ask for pizza, and they go to the technology, make easier life. Then they want to innovate in the product when they deliver the product, and they create a new experience. And this is what they got. They start doing in smart TVs and robots and Amazon Echo, in Ford and smartwatches. They innovate in how the pizza. And benefits, they grew about 500% more of the revenues of 2007. So it was a really good benefit. They created a new experience, and they have a lot of customers right now, a good image. And about the next slide is Rappi and McDonald's. Why I put them here? Because I think they're really cool, and Rappi is creating as well some new experience to the consumers, and McDonald's is trying to do the same with their application here in Colombia, and a lot of news and a lot of publicity they are doing here in Colombia, trying to make the same as Domino's. They are creating a new experience, and they are with promotions, giving all that publicity. Thanks a lot. This is everything. Good luck.